Hello everyone and welcome to this video about feeling sleepy. If you're watching this, chances are you've experienced feelings of fatigue and sluggishness while trying to work or study. Today, I'll be discussing the reasons why we feel sleepy and ways to overcome it. Feeling sleepy is a common issue that can be caused by a variety of factors, including lack of sleep, disrupted circadian rhythm, physical inactivity, stress, anxiety, and depression. Many people don't get enough sleep at night, and the exposure to artificial light for long hours can disturb their natural sleep-wake cycle. Additionally, sitting for long periods can slow down the production of certain chemicals that help keep us alert. There are several ways to overcome feeling sleepy, including: listen to music that lifts your spirit, especially Punjabi, K-pop, and metal songs with invigorating beats. Taking short breaks every hour can help improve focus and reduce feelings of fatigue. Exercise regularly, as regular physical activity can help boost energy levels and improve sleep quality. And also additionally, get enough sleep, as try to get 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night to ensure that you are well rested. Reduce stress, because it can disrupt the quality of our sleep. You can reduce stress through exercise, meditation, or talking to someone about your concerns. Exposure to artificial light can disrupt the natural sleep-wake cycle. Try to avoid screens for at least an hour before bedtime. In addition to listening to music that boosts your mood, there are several effective learning techniques that can help you improve your focus and retention. The Pomodoro technique involves breaking down your study sessions into shorter intervals, interspersed with breaks, to maintain your motivation and prevent burnout. Reward-based motivation involves incentivizing yourself with treats or activities you enjoy, as a way to motivate yourself to study. The Lightner system is a flashcard-based method that helps you review information more efficiently. And the Feynman technique is a method of teaching information to yourself by explaining it in your own words, helping you to better understand and remember the material. These techniques can greatly enhance your learning experience, and I am eager to create a video that delves into each of these techniques in depth, exploring their benefits and applications. In conclusion, feeling sleepy while at work or in the classroom is a common issue, but there are steps you can take to overcome it. Here are some tips to enhance your daily life by taking care of yourself by staying hydrated, eating nutritious food, limiting your intake of caffeine and sugar, taking regular breaks, implementing effective learning techniques as previously mentioned, and above all, maintaining physical fitness. If you experience drowsiness even after getting 7 to 8 hours of sleep, it may be an indication of poor physical health and the need for lifestyle changes. It's understandable if you feel drowsy while at work or studying, but it's crucial to ensure that you do not fall asleep while driving, LOL, for safety reasons. I hope this information has been useful to you. If you found it helpful, please consider showing your support by liking and subscribing to my video and channel. Your encouragement will motivate me to continue creating informative content like this. If you have any questions or comments regarding this video or myself, please feel free to leave them in the comment section. I will make every effort to respond to your inquiries in a timely manner. Thank you for watching.